In front of me is TCL 505, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear. Then tap on voice typing and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Then go back and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!